Good morning, friends. How are you today? Today we are going to study Math Champion, and the first topic is number to 1000. Lesson 1, counting. How many white squares are there? For answering these questions, of course, we have to count all the white squares, right? But uh, one by one, I mean. But wait, I have a better idea. I will take 10 squares and I will stick it together into a bar like this. And then I take another 10 and then I make another bar like this. And one bar consists of 10 squares. Then the rest I put over here. Okay. Then total, I just have to add them all. 10 plus 10 plus 2 equals 22. Note, do you know why do we need to stick our root squares by 10? The answer or the reason is to make it easier to count. Each square that consists of one square, it is called ones. If you see a picture like this, so it's ones, okay? And each bar that consists of 10 squares, it is called tens. So if you see a bar like this, it's called tens, and it consists of 10 squares. I have 10 tens. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I stick them together into a big giant squares. Consists of 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 7 plus 10 consists of 100 squares. Okay, so this is called hundreds. Hundreds consists of 100 squares. Don't forget, ones, tens, hundreds. How many squares are there? So we got two hundreds, one tens, and one ones. So two hundreds become 200 because 100 plus 100 become 200, right? And then one tens become 10, 10 square over here, 10 square, and then one ones equals 1. So total 200 plus 10 plus 1 equals 211. Okay, to make it easier for you, I have a simple method to solve this problem. Just look at the hundreds over here. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 2. So the first numbers, or the tens, the hundreds over here, 2, right? And the tens over here, how many tens are there? 1. So put 1 over here. And the ones, how many? 1 also. So 2, 1, 1. 2 over here, 1 over here, 1 over here. So totally 2, 1, 1, or 211. Next, how about this? How many squares are there? The hundreds, there are 2. The tens, there are 2. And the ones, there are 2 also. So 2, 2, 2, or 222. Okay, 200 plus 20 plus 2 equals 222. Counting on by ones. Okay, at first we got how many? 2 over here, 2 over here, the ones, the hundreds 2, the tens 2, and the ones 1. So 2, 2, 1, 221. Okay, 200 over here plus 20 over here plus 1 equals 221. If we put one more, okay, so it become, just add it, and the hundreds not change, still 2, the tens still 2 also, the different only the ones. So we have to put one more over it. So now it become 222. 2, 2, 2. How about this one? If I put one more once, it become 2, 2, 3. Yes, correct. 223. If I put one more, it become 2, the hundreds are 2, this one 2 again, and this one, the ones are 4. 2, 2, 4, 224. Next, one more. I put the ones, one more. I add ones, one more. So now it becomes 2, 2, 5, or 225. Now we practice counting on by 10. So before we practice the counting on by ones, now we're counting on by tens. First, how many squares are there? The hundreds 2, the tens 1, the ones 5. So altogether 215, 215. And if I add 1 tens, it becomes 2, 2, 5, 225. If I add one more, it becomes 2, 3, 5, 235, 235. I put one more, I add one more, it becomes 200. The tens 4 and the ones 5 become 245. The last, I put one more tens, it will become 255, of course. Next, counting on by hundreds. First, we got 1, 5, 5, 155. Okay, 100 plus 50 plus 5, it becomes 155. We add one more hundreds, and it will become 2, 5, 5, 255. I put one more hundreds, and it will become 355. Put one more, and it becomes 4, 5, 5. Right? 455. And if I put one more, it will become 5, 5, 5, or 555. Numbers in words. Before we already study about numbers, now we have to know how to write the numbers in words. For the first example, 155, we write down as 150 strip 5. Okay, we put and to separate the hundreds and the tens, and we use strip over here to separate between tens and ones. Next, 245, 200 and 40 strip 5. Don't forget to put and, don't forget to put strip. And also don't forget to memorize the spelling. The spelling is very important if you want to write down the numbers in words. Okay, for example, 2, the spelling is TWO. The spelling of 100, HUNDRED, and so on. Okay, you have to memorize it. Okay, now 365, 360 strip 5. 572, 500 and 70 strip 2. 681, 680 strip 1. Don't forget, one more time, and strip. Okay, next, 105, 100, the tens is 0, and then so we skip the tens and continue to the ones. 105 directly. Okay, 945, 945 strip 5. 715, 715. Why 15? There is no strip, because 15 is one word, so there is no strip. Okay, and 444, 440 strip 4. The last, 1000, 1000 without and without string, just 1000. Don't forget to memorize the spelling of 1000. T THOUSAND. Okay, and the number 1000, don't forget there are 30. Okay, I think that's all for me today. I mean, that's all the lesson today. Thank you for your attention. See you. Have a nice day.